Hi guys, Punchy Chain 34 here today, and I'm going to be opening some packs on my phone for FIFA 17. I just opened a pack off camera, and look, I got blue 92. I just went absolutely crazy. Who else did we get? Smalling. Alright, that's our best. Alright, I'm going to do 10 of these, and then what's this? No. Oh my god, I got Gundogan as well. 2 really good packs in a row. Let's see if we can get it for a time lucky. No, we haven't. Seriously? Oh my god, Manny. Right, so this is blah blah blah. No. No, I thought it was Aguero again. Banks, you shot me one down. I got Exetia. It's rated. If this is really good, I'm gonna open another 15 of these. I don't know how much I open. I'll probably open loads. Oh, I don't know. Nice. Right, ready? Now time to open this one. Have a look. I'm gonna turn down. Oh yeah, I got Douglas Costa. Right, I'm gonna do another no look pack. Oh, I got a shirt there also. Another no look pack. Cause I'm just. Have a look at it. Burnout. Not really. Good. Well, it was right. 76. Norwich, Johnny Howson. Right. Turn down the wall. No, damn, us alive. 86 rated. Oh, got Bravo. I just saw Bravo as well, but Bravo hasn't been in the best of things so far. If that was left wing, Conor Plianco, I would have got Cresswell. I'm opening another 6 of these. By the way, I haven't been counting. I'm just going to open another. He's a traitor for Norwich. Redmond. Right, so who was that? No, Ozil. Ozil. 89 rated. So it's good. Right, I'm gonna open another 3 of these, and then I'll show you all of the people I've got. Is that? Oh, just imagine if that was Ozil again. That would just be strange. That would just be cool. But I'd just be go crazy if it was. Cause I'd be like, why? Right. So if we go on to my cards. Right, so look, ready? Look, I've got that which I showed you at the start. Got Ozil, Marcelo, Mandanda, Gundogan, Bravo, Kane, Bronze, Luis Gustavo. I got Chris Smalling, Douglas Costa. Oh yeah, I got no. Yeah, Di Raya, Indicado, Savage. I got oh yeah, this is the inform that I'm talking about. Inform. And then I got Valencia, I got Jesus Navas, Robbie Keane, Balotelli, that was my first pack, Lanzini, Kolarov, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Bernat, Sanchez, Sanchez, Aaron Lennon, Lampard, Baba, Sergi, Austin, Mignolet, Janssen, Chadley, and they're all of them. So, best card of this Pokemon open today, Lewandowski. That's just so. Thanks, you guys, for watching, and peace.